One day, I was walking on an island in Bahia, Brazil, when I saw hundreds of clay roof tiles stacked on the sand. Observing the workers, I was mesmerized by the labor-intensive process and communal sense of their work, the firing, the carrying, the hoisting, the piling, and the installing. I saw their labor as art. Their work evoked layers of meaning around the concept of shelter. Shelter became a metaphor for that which houses the human soul, the protective shell that connects us all. And I thought of the turtle and how she carries a similar protective shell on her back as she makes her way home to the beaches to lay her eggs. Book of Roofs was first exhibited in São Paulo, Brazil as a sculptural book art installation. It comprised of a truckload of 3,000 clay roof tiles arranged in repetitive spiral patterns on the floor. Each clay tile became a page in the Book of Roofs, and 15 of these page tiles were revealed through a continuous video projection. At the end of this exhibit, the clay tiles were donated to a housing project, and the Book of Roofs migrated to its new dwelling, the World Wide Web. Book of Roofs, now a website of 3,000 page tiles, consists of works created specifically for the web, as well as representations from real physical installations. It is a shelter for my past works and a medium upon which new works can be developed and archived. It is a montage of historic events, vernacular perceptions of architecture, as well as individual and collective memories. At a time when the sense of home has been shifted by ethnic and religious wars, increased migration, the global economy, and new virtual addresses, the Book of Roofs, as a web work, allows for open participation and discussion. With no true beginning or end, the website architecture of Book of Roofs simulates the repetitive and intensive labor of tile workers. And the turtle, as an interface, guides the user through a web maze in her search to unveil the spatial roof tiles. Tracajá is the name of a small yellow spotted turtle facing extinction from damming and water diversion projects along the Amazon rivers. This turtle is the subject and title of the new page tile in the Book of Roofs. The series is constructed of 5 large digital video prints, an edition of 40 original images on Kozo paper, and 300 paper-cast roof tiles. Printed at Wildwood Press and Commerce Color in St. Louis, the project juxtaposes traditional mediums such as woodcut, lithography, colography, papermaking, and papercasting with new digital technologies of printmaking, video, and sound. Constructed of fragments of personal identity, Tracajá, my avatar, is enlarged and reproduced through these different printmaking methods. The video projected through the gut of the turtle skeleton becomes a personal tale of memory and mythology. It infuses the larger-than-life translucent prints with the motion graphic of Tracajá's nomadic journey to procreate and survive in a world where the ancient rhythms are constantly disrupted by human intervention and control. This solitary migration metamorphosizes into spiritual myths of love, life, and death, weaving personal experiences with Hindu mythology.